This is a trading review for Thursday, March 30th, 2023. I had two really good strategies for two stocks that were setting up nicely. I had JD on my primary list because it was the one that gapped the most, but it just ran too much high, and I couldn't time a reversal. I didn't have a strategy for that, and so I was looking at my side stocks, Baidu, Meta, and Roku. And Roku, I missed out on a nice trade on Roku simply because I couldn't time an entry on this 1 minute drop. It was just too spready. So I didn't pull the trigger as we were encroaching this 1 minute candle. So that was pretty unfortunate. Uh, I wanted to make an entry at the breakdown, but I didn't pull the trigger, mostly because of the spread. It was very difficult to trade. I don't like to trade stocks that have a 8 cent to 15 cent spread. And then Baidu did the same thing. Uh, I was hoping for a drop down from the S4 level, but again the spread, you can see one candle is 50 cents, 70, 60 cents. This candle is almost a dollar move, and so when we broke down from here, the transition from this minute candle to this one, there is a jump because of the spread. So I couldn't really time this entry, so I'm very disappointed. I was very disappointed at the time, which made me lose focus, and I just focused on the process entirely, and I messed up because of that. Meta run nicely from S3, but it didn't offer an entry. So today might have been a day where I don't force it. So I have to stop trying to focus too much on making profits for the day and just think about whatever trade opportunities I see. And first trade, I took here R3 reversal with 25 cents stop loss on Meta. It was in anticipation. Locally, I managed to get out at break even after we failed to break down from the 20 moving average, and we got volume as well. So I was we got a lot of volume on this candle, and so I decided to get out of there. Uh, the 20 moving average was respected nicely. We never retested it, so it was a nice trending stock. And then after that, after missing out on Meta, after having this stock fail on me, and the missing out opportunities on Roku and Baidu, all I did was just I started to become I lost my patience, and I just started to take trades that were not set up yet. This is a nice doji with nice volume, but I anticipated this trade. I just made this entry based entirely on the 1 minute candle. Even this signal here, this range, this doji, is in low volume, so it doesn't make sense for a reversal. Either way, I got stopped out here and then here as well. So these entries are not optimal. I didn't follow my rules when it came to to this uh, these trades. So those were 8 trades I did not execute, and these trades were fine. I thought that didn't really meet the criteria, but actually it's fine. I need to raise that. And so I just messed up here. My mistake here was traded in anticipation and against level 2. So I lost focus of the level 2 app. For some reason, I tend to devalue it compared to the price action, and I think it's because the market is designed to lure me into the price action. So it was those two trades on Meta. Meta had bullish pivots, so the S3 trade was the best trade to take, but the 5 minute candles were not aligning. So up to this point, so far so good. The problem is that I start to since those rules stop me from taking a good trade like Meta. Once I see another good area, I throw them out the window, and that's not good because I have to respect those rules. and wait until they align. But meta was a nice trade if I was taking an area entry. This is a nice touch and go, and I could have added every time it touched the 20 moving average. It was trending nicely, and so did Roku. Trade nicely, pulled to the 20, keep dropping. So a bunch of nice trades, and I just failed to take them because I lost focus. The goal I didn't. The goal was met. This one I did not mean to this goal. I'm a bit disappointed with myself. I think might have to do with my sleep. These 2 days, that having a bit of a struggle. I had a little sleep, so I need to work on that, and hopefully, with better sleep, I can be more patient, more control. But that's the training for today. I'm gonna move on and trying to improve, take these learning lessons, and continue improving every day.